Welcome back to the Elanix YouTube channel, where we help you save money, time, and avoid the headache. So in today's video, you read the title right, we are covering Google Sheets on steroids. I'll explain to you why. Without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to the AIGS, the AIGS, Angry Intimidating Google Sheets. And the reason I call it that is because we are utilizing Google Sheets with OpenAI connection, allowing us to utilize the LLM in a faster, more efficient manner. So let me just show you. We're going to be able to type in a prompt, not even a prompt, basically just a single word in these rows right over here, and we'll end up with a completion in the B column. You might be thinking it sounds kind of simple, but the reason why it's so useful is we can customize this Google Sheet to do whatever we need it to do. And I'll give you an example. So let's start with building our table. To do this automation, I'm going to guide you through it. Basically, you're going to need a header table, one saying input, the other one saying output. Alright, output, there we go. And then we're going to add that as a heading. Let's make this video. What's going on here? I don't know. Okay. So now we have our sheet set up, and this is where the power is in the AIGS system that I created. We can decide whatever this Google Sheet needs to do, we can make it do that. So for this example, we'll be using it to brainstorm ideas for a product, right? So let's pretend that we are a soap business, we're selling soaps and products. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it up so that we just have to type in what our product is, and the OpenAI is going to come up with product ideas and descriptions and put them out into the output instantly. And all we have to do is type it in here, press enter, and we'll get an output. That is what makes this so effective. So let's get straight into building this. The first thing you're going to want to do is come to make.com, and we're going to click on Google Sheets, watch new rows. So this is a trigger action, so it's going to trigger every time you type something into a new row. So that's exactly what we need. Now you're going to set up your Google connection. I've done a video on how to handle any errors that you might have with this, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to go to search by product, it's fine, my drive, your spreadsheet ID, basically your spreadsheet name, and it is the Elanix test sheet. Sheet name, test sheet 1. This contains headers. Into the range of table headers, so it's actually A1 to B1 for this example. And then for limit, we're going to just put 1 for now, and that's it. You can save it. Then specific ID, we're just going to go all, save. Now we're going to add our OpenAI connection, create a completion, connect your API key to make.com. I'll probably make a video, but it's very straightforward. And once you do that, create a completion. You can choose your model. It's as long as you're GPT-4o, you're pretty much good. I mean, even 3.5 is okay. I'll just go with the basic system, GPT-4o system. Max completion tokens always decrease these, so we can put this at 200. Let's try 350. Then we're going to add a message. This is going to be a user role, so it's going to be interacting with ChatGPT on our behalf as the user. And now we're going to write out a prompt, and this is where the magic happens. So we're going to say, please come up with a product name and description for say 5 product names and descriptions for input. You're going to click the input button. So basically this means that every time we type into the input block here, it's going to ChatGPT and asking it to come up with 5 different product names and product descriptions, whatever's in this block over here, and instantly put it into the output. You don't need to open ChatGPT at all. You can just open this Google Sheet and work from there. Alright, so that's it. 350. We're gonna see if the tokens are enough. Then we're gonna go back to Google Sheets, add another module of Google Sheets, and then we are going to say update the row. Search by path, spreadsheet ID, the same one that we chose the first time. Test sheet, sheet name, test sheet 1, row number, it's going to be output B. Yes. Okay. Values in here is going to be result, the result of the prompt. Okay, so let's see if that works. Yeah, save that. And now I'm going to come back to my soap business, and I'm working for the soap business, and I want 5 different product names and descriptions for a think now, a vegan soap. Wait, I don't know what you would put in a vegan soap. Almonds in it. Okay, so now we're basically gonna run it. We're gonna enter. Sorry. Then we're gonna run it. ChatGPT is gonna work, creating the prompts for us. It might take a bit, and then operation failed. What was wrong here? Missing value for parameter, row number. That's my bad. So in row number, you're gonna put the row number block in row number, and then output would be. Okay, let's see if it works this time. Okay, and there we go. AIGS, angry, intimidating Google Sheets, operational. So I want to just go over my error, and it's very important that I'm leaving this in the video so you can see how I error handled whatever happened there. So basically what I did is in row number I put the result, I think, of the prompt, which was the wrong thing to do. When you're at this stage, it's going to be very obvious. Row number, you're just going to click the row number variable that they have over here, and the result from your prompt you're going to put in the column that you want it to appear in. So if we wanted it to be in column C and not column B, we would put it over here. And yeah, so that's all that I needed to fix. Now this on its own isn't too impressive because you have to come back here to make, unless you put it on every 15 minutes or even every 5 minutes. Okay, the minimum is 15, which is fine. Every 15 minutes, and we just type in different products. Let's think a shampoo with strawberry extracts. Okay, then what else? A good sprout. I'm just typing in random stuff. So now the automation is running every 15 minutes. So it will check for new rows, and from whatever it finds, it's going to generate its prompt respectively, put it in the column B. Let's extend this so you can see the prompt. As you can see, it's come up with 5 product names and descriptions. Almond, velvet, almond cares. It's a proof of concept thing. You could customize this, change it to whatever use case you're looking for. So even if you're working in a car dealership, for example, there's a use for this. And that's what makes it so powerful, is how customizable it is. And it's going to run on autopilot. Like I said, every 15 minutes it's going to populate. So let's run this manually so we can speed it up. Okay, there you go, there's the next product in. Strawberry silk shampoo. There's a nice long description here. So I hope this video was helpful. Hope you gained some value from it, and you can take this template, customize it how you like, and let it work for you in the background. Stay tuned for the next video.